Buying Nitro with Apple gift card is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can buy Nitro with Apple gift card. So first of all, you need to redeem your Apple gift card to your Apple account. So for that, you simply have to go to your app store. Currently I'm at my Android, but in your iOS you have to go to your app store, and in your app store you simply have to tap on your profile. After tapping on your profile, you'll see an option for redeem a code. You just have to tap on that option and you will easily be able to redeem your Apple gift card money into your Apple account. Afterwards, you simply have to go to your Discord application, and in your Discord application you have to tap on your profile or you section, and after tapping on that option you will easily be able to see an option for Nitro. You just have to tap on that option, and in your Nitro you have to select whatever the Nitro that you want to buy. So I'm just going to tap on that, and afterwards you have to tap on purchase. What it will do is it will open up your store. So currently, as you guys can see, I'm at my Android and it opened up Google Play, but in your case it will open up Apple Pay or Apple Wallet. You just have to accept that, and that's how you will be able to buy Nitro. Hope you guys find this video helpful.